Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix sound issues on Microsoft Edge in Windows. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing a problem where there is no sound on Microsoft Edge, the first thing to check is whether the application is muted. Sometimes this happens without us realizing it, especially when we check sound settings on websites like YouTube. Locate the sound icon on your taskbar, right-click it, and ensure that Microsoft Edge is not muted. If it appears muted, simply right-click again and select the Unmute option. Additionally, navigate to the volume mixer by clicking the sound symbol in your system tray. Scroll down to find Microsoft Edge and confirm that its volume is turned all the way up. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.